So I share a message of bettering your life and helping other people. And people look at that like that could be boring, or why would you do that? This is just extra. This is easy. This is so fulfilling. And it's just, these are small down payments. If you can help one person in a day, if you make one video and it helps someone, doesn't distract someone but actually helps them. If I click on your video and you've done a short summary of a book to correct detail. Now, I will share the fact, if anyone gives me wrong information, if you do something wrong, my response is different. However, if you are effective at what you do, if you put in your full effort and get good results, then those things are the things that are appreciated. Those are the things that make a difference. If you can short summarize a full book in a 1-minute video and you share that, at least you give someone the opportunity to learn something new, to better themselves. If you share something that you've been able to do or create to give someone inspiration, or to be able to show someone how to do it better, all those things are such an amazing down payment into creating a good way. Again, life is about providing value. If you can bring value, you'll be alright anywhere. But if you don't add any value, if you add difficulties, if you add problems, if you add a negative attitude, then you bring no value. How often is it someone with a great attitude can change a room, can take a room that was boring, that the people weren't happy at, and change everybody's attitude in that room? It's because of what they brought. They were of value with their attitude. How is it that somebody's able to go in and completely change an area? Take 100 houses that are falling apart, and somebody's able to go in and change it. It's because they were able to bring the value. They had done something in advance, and they used their own resources and resourcefulness to go out and get the means to create the new thing. That's what you want to do in life. Don't let your life be something of you just do what you wanted to do today, or you're just doing enough to get by. Do more. If you do more, you'll get more. And you'll lose that. Not that it's something lost, but you'll get over the fact that it's not just to get something. It's to actually do more. It's to actually be more. If you can get that way about yourself, then just watch how life changes for you. And it starts with doing something. It starts with bringing a new attitude to where you go. I don't care if you're going to meet someone at work. I don't care if you're going out on lunch. If you can bring a new attitude every day, if you better yourself every day, even if that other person doesn't change, even if the other person you're in communication with is difficult, is trying to bring you down to their level, is trying to speak negatively to you, you should have such a strong personal state for yourself where you've actually created a momentum, a congruent, strong, positive mental attitude, that whenever other people who are maybe negative or try and take away from you, you just see that as their problem, that they've got an issue, and that should never affect you. And that comes from bettering yourself every day. It's time to step up. It's time to do something different. If you've been doing the same stuff every day, try the days of helping people. I'm not saying you have to go and spend 40 hours a week doing charity work, but if you've never done it, why not do 1 hour a week? Why not do one thing a day to help someone? Why not actually, whenever you're communicating with someone, rather than just have another conversation, why not see what value you can bring? If you start to have that running where you think, how can I bring more value? Not how can I get more, but how can I bring more value? That's where great things are created.